Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the language of your Discord app. So select settings, scroll down, and on the left side there's language, and you're going to select the language that you want your app to be. I'm just going to select Spanish. So as you can see now, it is in Spanish, like some of them, like this one and this one as well. I'm not gonna even try to say it because I feel like I'm gonna butcher this like that. But again, just go back to user settings and select this again if you want to change the language again. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!